a quick update now that the snow is gone. April 18th, snow is finally gone, and you can see some garlic coming up. Most of the leaves have blown away. And I got strawberries. And rhubarb's coming up. And the rest of the boxes and the garden in the ground over there need to be worked up and weeded once it dries up a bit more. Hannibal and Ella. I got some asparagus in this box. Nothing going on there yet. Need to weed it too. But exciting to see the garlic poking up after all that snow was on top of it. Please hit subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell. Have a great day.